Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day, and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. I've been on this new diet called Keto, and one of my favorite things to eat is bread, but you can't eat bread while you're on keto. So I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious keto bread. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll show you how it's made.
Mix together your melted butter, almond flour, baking powder, and egg. Then transfer your contents into a microwave-safe mug and microwave on high for 90 seconds. Once cooled, transfer bread onto a cutting board and slice into desired pieces.
Alright guys, once you let these cool, you want to slice these up into a few slices, kind of like an English muffin, and then you can toast them up or eat them just like this. I like to put avocado or butter or make sandwiches out of these. Alright, let's see how it tastes. Tastes just like bread, but nice and airy. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!